Hello techies! In this lab we are going to practice installing and removing software. Right, so in this scenario we are going to go to Google Chrome website, download Google Chrome installer, and to complete this we are going to install Chrome from the downloads folder. Then the installation is complete, so let's go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so the lab is open. The first thing we want to do is to go to a download folder. So inside the download folder, we want to go to our exe file in our download folder, and we'll go ahead and install the exe file, which is Chrome setup. So we wait for it to download and install on our PC. Alright, so this is done. So we'll go ahead and check answers. Now we're done with installing Chrome. The next thing we have to do is to uninstall Chrome. So what we're going to do now is to go to our search menu. We want to search for apps. Under apps and features, when you open that, you scroll down till we locate Google Chrome, and we're going to click on uninstall, and that is going to uninstall Google Chrome. Right, so we're going to close this and close this because I think we are done with this lab here. So we just close all of these, close this, and go ahead and check our answers, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're having challenges with any of your tech courses, because I've been busy with work or family issue, health related issues, and your grades are falling behind, don't worry about it. Reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will ensure you come out with an A in any of your tech courses. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.